Day 2 po tayo for our abs workout. Yan.
But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it, I got it. Running through better times, throw my emotions out, running through better times, through better times, through better times, through better times, through better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it, I got it. Running into better times, throw my emotions out, running into better times, through 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 better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop
30
me
minutes.
tonight. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Running into better times, throw my emotions out, running into better times, through 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 better times. I'm hearing the beat now, it's pulling me in.
Ano ba to?
Meet me at midnight. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you're ready to get down, bring your friends. Meet me at midnight. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Down on your knees, you beg and please, you want it. My love's like fire, it'll leave you burning. Down on your knees, you beg and please, you want it. My love's so sweet, sweeter. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is.
Mali, mali, mali.
Think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your
Ang
mouth
boss. Yung pala.
It's like a magnetic, you're pulling me in. Never forget this. Oh yeah, oh
Ang
yeah.
hirap naman.
Young and we're ready, so don't be afraid. Don't need to play or hate the game. Down on your
Samok.
knees, beg and please, you want it. My love's so fire,
Sunod, sunod.
you're burning. Down on your knees, beg and please, you want
May
it.
steps na ako. Hindi na ako makuha.
Sweeter.
Sunod.
Think that you got it. Hands up, put your money where your mouth is.
Balik-balik na.
Think that you got it. Hands up, put your money where your mouth
pa, kaya pa. Grabe na yung pawis ko. Sakit ng kamot ko.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on
Arthritis ni Anda.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had.
Ang akong tuhod.
The best
Ang arthritis ni Anda.
thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Best thing that I've ever
Woohoo!
had. Best thing.
Ang akong tuhod. Ako'y ginoo ko. exercise, very good, exercise.
Always in control. I didn't know you're just playing. I've been weighing if you're worth my time. You set the bar, you build it up. You start a game that needs devotion. You start the fire that burns me up. Now I need you, yeah, I need you.
Balik.
You call me up, mess with my head, but I don't need more problems. When you is a star, I can't resist. You start me up. Look in your eyes, you're always in control. I need to know if you're just playing. I've been weighing if you're worth my time. You set the bar, you build it up. You start a game that needs devotion. You start the fire that burns me up. Now I need you, yeah, I need
Ang daddy ko yumuyog-yog. Ano sunod? Oh gosh.
I promised I would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do like something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Do you know the things that make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Harder than the summer, so put your hands What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. The look in your eyes, it staying in bed, thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust, should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me, yeah, yes it did. Now letting you go, 'cause what we had was gold, and you gotta know, I was standing on the border, the walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, I'm waking up now.
Oh, tapos na 30 minutes. Grabe naman. Ayun guys, tapos na. Ginamit ko yung phone ko. Grabe guys, tumutulo yung pawis ko. Oh, nakita nyo? Grabe ako mag-exercise. Day 2 na to. Day 2, grabe ang pawis, oh. As in, tumutulo. Woohoo! Tumutulo talaga, sobra. Kailangan magpahinga. Water only, water. Alam ko hindi pwedeng, nakatayo eh. Ayan, no, abs workout po yun. Abs workout. Tsaka waist, no, pampalit ng waist, pampaflat ng tummy, abs workout, at tsaka sa, I think, sa legs. No, sa legs. Bukas iba na naman. Bukas iba. Tayo lang ako konti guys kasi katatapos ko mag-exercise. Grabe. Grabe ang pawis ko. Grabe ang tulo, oh. Hindi. Grabe ang tulo niya. Sobra. Grabe yung pawis ko, guys. Tumutulo talaga. May nag-comment na naman. Meron na namang akong iba-block dito. If you will not erase your message right now, you will see I'm gonna block you. I block a lot of people here. Mag-delete muna tayo ng comment, be. Yung mga gago na mga... I don't know, where are you? Are you from? Siraulo tong lalaking to, ah. You crazy, ha? Let me see you. Because I'm going to block you right away. You. Because I'm going to block you right away. Mamaya lang tong gagong to. What is your name? Rahul Bahra. Okay, there you are. So, you have 3.7 followers. You are dirty inside my Facebook. Then, you are going to... You're going to be deleted in my Facebook and block. You are going to, you are shame in your country. You are very shame in your country. You know that? Let me see where you're from. Siliguri? Where is Siliguri? India. Gosh. You fuck off. Get out of my Facebook. Yeah. That is why so many people don't like your country, because you are one of the stupid and crazy people who lives there. You better, you know what? You better go to hell. Pack up all your things and go to hell. It's my Facebook. You fuck off. Get out. Later, I'm going to block you. It's so shame on you. If you have nothing to do in Facebook, get out. Go to hell. I-block ko tong lalaking to. I'm gonna block you na. Let me... Gago talaga tong lalaking to. Okay, delete your comment. Okay, I'm going to delete his comment and block him. All comments. Okay, delete your comment. Now, block you. Asa na yun? Nawala bigla. Ayun. There you are. Block. Goodbye. Bleh. Yan guys. O, binlock ko o. Ayan. Binlock ko siya guys. Ang daming siraulo sa Facebook eh. Walang magawa. Ayan o. Ay, nakita nyo yung pangalan niya, Rahul Bara, from India. Ayan, binlock ko na. Block ka ngayon. Delete. Daming dami ko nang binablock sa Facebook kasi wala tayong makuhang magandang dyan. Ang gusto ko pa naman sa Facebook ko, puro mga positive, good vibes, pera, work, business, positive vibes, lahat yan. Family. Siraulo ka, lumabas ka dyan. Dami ko nang ina-unfriend eh. Hello guys! Ayan, pang 2 days natin no, ng exercise natin ngayon. Ayan, grabe, hindi non-stop yung pawis ko. O, tumutulo talaga siya guys, grabe. Grabe yung result. Grabe yung result ng exercise ko ngayon. Ayan. Hindi ako masyadong tagal kasi may gagawin pa ako. So, yun nga palang ginawa kong workout ngayon. So, 30 minutes non-stop standing cardio. Abs po siya. Workout. Loose belly. Ayan mga bilbil. Yung mga malalaking bilbil dyan. Magandang i-exercise nyo to. No? Yung mga bilbil. Yung fats, burn fats, no? Pang patanggal ang fats yan sa katawan. And then, no jumping. Hindi mo kailangan lumukso-lukso. No squats, no? Hindi kailangan ng squats, no repeat. Hindi mo na kailangan ulitin. As you can see, grabe yung pawis na tumutulo sa katawan ko ngayon. Ayan. So, na-observe ko siya ngayon. I've been doing my workout again. Hindi na masyadong masakit yung katawan ko, hindi katulad ng dati. So, akala ko nabigla ako. So, ayan, hindi naman siya, guys. Ayan, no. So, maganda yung result ngayon. So, pang 2 days ko na ngayon. Then, after 1 week, no, makikita natin yung result kung ano yung itsura ng abs. Papakita ko sa inyo yung abs ko. Kasi, yung bilbil ko, ano, maluwang na. Meron na siyang fats. Basahin natin yung message ni Madam. Hi to Ma'am Lovely, Rose, Lagmay, how are you? Bumalik ka na sa ibang bansa. Ayan, si Ma'am Lovely. Intong is life. Anong intong, Ma'am Lovely? Anong intong, Ma'am Lovely? Ayan, si Ma'am Lovely, Rose, Lagmay. I-follow nyo yan, guys. Mabait yan. Okay, nagpa-follow lang ako ng mababait na mga tao dito sa Facebook ko. I don't care kung konti lang ang followers ko, basta lahat mabait. Tsaka hindi bastos. Bastos kayo, i-block ko kayo diretso. Ha? Ayan, OFW din yan si ma'am, no? Sa ibang bansa. Katulad ko din yan. Ako din po ay isang ex-OFW. Ayan, nag-abroad din ako dati. No, sa Arab country, then sa Taiwan, twice. Yan. Grabe yung ano, guys, no? Grabe yung workout ko. Mamaya maliligo ako, mag-ano na naman ako, grabe yung, ewan ko kung ano yung ginagamit ko sa katawan ko na bleach. Tapos, ayan, may nagtatanggal yung dumi, yung alikabok, libag. Naubos na yung ano ko. Nagdiretso na ako, hindi ko na pinutuloy yung live ko. After ng workout ko, ayan, nagdiretso na ako na mag-live sa inyo. Kasi, para hindi naman masyadong madami. Ayan guys, 2 days, no workout, observing for 30 minutes every day. Ay, ang ganda niya. Pero mas gusto ko talagang maglota ulit. Ang ganda naman. Mamaya pang naligo ako, grabe no. Or hindi ko alam, baka alikabok lang to. Dumi ng katawan. Alikabok pumapasok sa bahay. May ginagamit kasi akong pang bleaching. Tapos ginagamit ko lang siya sa pag naliligo ako ng binababad ko sa katawan ko ng few minutes. Yung bleaching ko. Yan o, ano siya. Nagtatanggal yung dumi. Hala, ang ganda. Ang dumi niya. Pero hindi ako pwedeng maligo ngayon. Katatapos ko lang mag-exercise. Kailangan lang pahinga muna. Mamaya-maya na ako maliligo. After kong magpahinga. Grabe guys, ang tulo ng pawis ko. Hindi siya nag-stop talaga. Oh, grabe. Grabing workout yun. 30 minutes. Sabi nila, bakit daw ako nag-workout? Yung payat-payat ko daw. Hindi naman po yun sa payat. Sa abs po yun. Kasi di ba pag kumakain tayo, guys, 'di ba? Most especially pagkatapos natin kumain, gusto natin nakaupo lang. O syempre na yung pagkain mo naiipon sa tiyan mo 'yan. Kaya nga kahit payat po ako, napansin niyo, meron po talaga akong bilbil. Ang tawag sa Bisaya, bilbil ba? O bilbil sa atua sa Bisaya. Naagid ko 'yung bilbil, no? Ang bilbil, makita na ninyo kung magtapad ta. Maskin payatot ko na ako'y bilbil, magunitan, mangganini mo akong tambok diri, magunitan. Ayan. Mahawakan mo nga yung tambok dyan sa katawan ko. Kahit payat ako. Pag kumakain tayo guys, diba? Kaya, gusto ng husband ko na flat yung abs ko. Tsaka para makita yung abs mo na meron kang, yung hubog ng abs mo talagang nakikita. Maganda siya. No? Para at least guys, pag nagbikini ako, no, malaki na yung boobies ko, maganda pa yung abs ko, maganda yung result. Kasi guys, sa ngayon guys, no, napansin nyo, nandito lang ako sa bahay, tapos nagpapagaling, nagpapaganda, ayan, pagkatapos ng teeth ko this week, may another paganda na naman. Kaya sabihin ko sa inyo, inshallah, or in God's will, no, I hope so. Pag nasa USA na ako, no, in God's will, pagkasama ko na yung husband ko kasi, we keep on traveling na talaga. Okay, so, excited ako actually kasi iba-vlog ko talaga guys lahat ng mga lugar na pupuntahan namin. Then, we travel the whole America. Okay, ganyan po ang plano ng husband ko. So, sabi ng husband ko, once you are here, we will travel the whole America, and then, we're going to tour, and then we're going to travel in the whole Europe. Ayan, no? Sabi ng husband ko. So, syempre, no, kung ikaw, you keep on traveling, syempre, i-prepare mo na yung katawan mo. Kailangan mong i-prepare na sexy ka. Kasi pag travel kayo ng travel, syempre, magsusuot ka ng magagandang damit, guys. No? Yun yung plano ng husband ko. So, pag nasa US na ako, so, sabi ng husband ko, depends sa akin kung mag-work. Ang laki kasi talaga ng pera sa US, guys. Pag nag-work ka, sobrang laki. But, for my husband kasi, I don't need to work. Kaya hindi ko na kailangang mag-work. Kasi kung mag-work man ako, mag-work na lang ako sa husband ko, guys. Kasi yung husband ko nasa office lang. 'Di ba? So, since naman ang aking line ay office works, so I can help him in his office. Okay? So, yun ang maganda doon. Kasi alam ko talaga matutulungan ko siya. Most especially sa mga paperworks, no? Yung mga ipiprint, then mga kailangan niya. And then, syempre, may computer literate din naman ako. And, yun din yung line ko, yung office work. So, kailangan ko siyang tulungan, no, sa office niya. At least, mabigyan man lang ako, diba? No, hindi ko na kailangang mag-work sa labas. Yan. But of course, no, gusto ko din talagang mag-work sa kanya. Para at least, madaming pera, guys. Nasa bahay lang, no, may office. May office po siya sa bahay. Ayan. Then, lumalabas, pumupunta din po siya sa office na malaki nilang office. Okay, minsan may mga client, kausap, ayan, yung husband ko. But excited talaga ako. Kaya ako nagpe-prepare, guys, kasi sinasabi ng husband ko, kailangan mong mag-workout. Kailangan mong mag-exercise kasi palagi na tayong magta-travel niyan. Okay, kung magsusuot man ako ng mga sexy na damit, at least may self-confident ako na bagay siya sa akin. Kung nagsusuot ako ng sexy, no? Then, pupunta kami ng mga beach, of course. Tinatanong ko nga siya kagabi, guys, kung gaano nakatagal yung papeles ko. So, he keep on checking naman, and then sabi naman ng office, kung pwede, kung kakayanin nila ng 6 months, no, na makaalis ako. Nag-try naman ako mag-apply ng tourist visa, guys, kaso nga lang hindi ako na-approve kasi nga kasal ako, kumbaga spousal visa na talaga kailangan sa akin. So I'm not allowed to do the tourist visa. So spousal visa yung ginawa, yung on process yung spousal visa ko. Then all I need to do is to wait. Kaso nga lang, maganda talaga yung fiancé visa, guys, kasi 6 months lang, pwede ka nang umalis. Katulad ng classmate ko, may classmate ako sa Michigan, no? Meron siyang baby girl ngayon, 2 years old. Shout out to Charlene, no? Andun si Charlene sa, Michigan. Nag-uusap kami minsan, come to come. Then, ang ginagawa niya, nag-aalaga lang siya ng baby niya. And then, nasa bahay lang din siya, guys, kasi may kaya din yung husband niya. May work din, then, ayun, sinasama siya mag-tour ng husband niya, sometimes, no, anywhere in USA, sometimes nga, nasa Texas siya, and then sabi ko, how I wish kung nandyan ako, mag-meet tayo. But of course, sabi naman ng husband ko, na puntahan daw namin siya sa Michigan. Papasyalan namin si Charlene. Classmate ko po yun, sobrang bait. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys, no? Yan, mamaya i-post ko pala yung yung page ni Charlene dito kay classmate ko po yun nasa USA, guys. I-follow nyo. Follow nyo yung mga mababait na tao, hindi yung mga siraulo. Okay, wala tayong mapapala diyan. Ang daming mga daming mga siraulong sorry to say ha, daming mga papansin Nako, ang dami kong nababasa sa social media, guys. Wala naman ako matututunan dyan. Wala akong makukuhang aral dyan sa kanila. Mga negative vibes lang. Gusto ko positive, guys. Ayan, hindi pala online si Madam. Yung mga madam ko dyan na mayayaman, na mga friend kong mayaman, ayan. Hindi online. Grabe yung grabe siguro yung alikabok ng katawan ko mamaya, guys. Kaya grabe yung ko. Grabe yung hilod ko mamaya sa pag naligo na ako. Ayan. Ayan, ay, naku, thank you. At hindi ako masyadong hindi masyadong masakit yung katawan ko, guys, no. Maraming salamat naman. Kahit nag-exercise ako for 2 days na ngayon. Workout. Hirap talaga. Pag talaga, ayan, magkahiwalay talaga yung boobs. Pero pag naka-push up ka, ganyan, maganda siya. Kaso nga lang, pag wala, talagang nakatabingi. Tabingi yung boobs. Hindi ako nahihiya kasi alam naman ng tao, guys, na yan. Breast augmentation talaga yan. Yan, grabe, Nakita ko si Heart Evangelista nagpa-inject siya dito, siguro para matanggal to, guys, no? Ayan. Ayan, guys, hindi na po ako magtatagal, ha. Kailangan kong magpahinga. I-send ko mamaya yung link pala dyan sa aking comment section. Okay? But guys, thank you for watching my workout, 30 minutes workout today, and see you on my 3rd day workout. That will be tomorrow. Kasi nga, kailangan ko talaga siyang isunod-sunod para at least makita natin yung result in 1 week. Okay? So, thank you for watching. See you. I love you all, guys. Mwah!